No, 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 no.
All right, what are we watching?
Fear, I don't think you can handle this.
Thank you, Joy, but I'll have you know I'm not scared of everything.
It's just a dream, it's just a dream, it's just a dream.
Eventually.
I like that.
Now we're talking. Ready?
This is madness!
Hey, nice job keeping it subtle, anger. You know, the other emotions are starting to think you can't control yourself.
I can control myself, Joy.
That's exactly what I said.
But if we scare her...
Just follow my lead. Here we go.
What are you doing? Who are you?
Eventually.
I'd like to give you something.
What would that be?
A bouquet of glasses.
I can't say they're my favourite flowers. I never wear my glasses. They only make me look like some kind of bug-eyed insect.
It's fine by me. Could we see each other again? With or without glasses?
Perhaps. You're not from around these parts.
Oh, yes. No, I mean, I work on the ghost train.
That's wonderful. So you're the new frightener?
Exactly. I'm the new frightening man. That's me.
Can I come see you in action?
Sure. Where?
You know, on the ghost train.
Yes, of course, naturally.
Tomorrow? Around 4?
Perfect.
You gave me a heck of a fright. I don't think my heart can cope with all this.
No, mine.
Get ready. This is a monster rally. We are riding it all the way down.
If you walk on stones and break something, you can.
Woo! Let's party! Let's dance! Woo!
Yeah, party.
Let's take the Oh, we just fell down.